So this week we visited Morrisons and really impressed by the supermarket flowers in Morrisons. There were staff watering all the flowers and all the plants, and I was really impressed. And these fuchsias took my eye. Well, coming out, and £2.50 for fuchsias, and I wouldn't think that's too bad. So we bought 2 lots, and I intend to make some hanging baskets for my fuchsias. But also, while I was there, the lady sorting out the flowers, and she had some buckets, and there's been known for people to buy the buckets from Morrisons. So I asked the lady, who very kindly gave me the buckets for free, and I have heard that they've been charging like 10p for 10 buckets, which is a real bargain. So I'm going to plant some of my fuchsias in the Morrisons bucket. Why not? They do have holes in the bottom. It's one of my first jobs, just to make a few holes with this drill, just to add a bit of drainage. There we go. And we're also going to grow some in our hanging basket. So we're going to do the bucket first. So I'm going to fill the bucket with some multi-purpose compost. There we go. And we're going to take our fuchsias, and we're going to plant them in our bucket and make a nice display. So I'm going to put 3 in this bucket, and it will look nice in a nice triangle. There, and that's going to come out really lovely. I'm going to fill up the rest of the bucket. It's going to make a lovely, stunning display. Really, really nice. £2.50, free bucket, stunning display. So the next one I'm going to do is our hanging basket. And this is around about 12-inch basket. I'm just going to fill up the basket with our compost. And we're going to use our fuchsias. And with our basket we're going to use 4. We're going to put 1 in the middle, and then we're going to put 3 around the outside. 1, 2, 3. And that's going to make a stunning display in that basket. Slightly pushing them out so they're slightly poking outwards. That's just going to act that lovely. 1 in the middle. There we go. Fill this up with the remaining compost. Look at that, absolutely stunning. So these are going to get watered in, and then they're going to get a feed, a high potash feed, like tomato right, and then keep deadheading, and it's going to make a lovely, lovely display. How's that? How lovely. One, and then our lovely bucket. Look at that. Wonderful. How lovely. Quick and easy. £5, 2 lots of flowers. It's going to cause so much love, so much colour. Just wonderful.